when we're bored, we tend to do stupid shit that's not going to help us whatsoever. Like, here's the thing with our world right now. We have so many things going on that everyone wants to have a say in it. Everyone wants to, post some fucking 4-paragraph post on Twitter or some 15-paragraph essay on Facebook and, make a video on their story and, they want to be heard. It's because you're fucking bored. Okay, the people who are actually doing shit in business, in life, they have families, they have all these obligations. They're not busy watching the news. They're not busy doing all this stupid shit that, quite frankly, doesn't really fucking matter. And I made a video about this, a couple days ago about politics and, people do stupid shit when they're bored. It's because they have nothing better to do. And it's people rioting and people doing all these things, they're just bored. I'm going to be completely honest. So stay busy. Stop getting up in all this noise. I had, past roommates who, were, bored as fuck. They got random COVID tests. They were just curious and someone passed out and someone went in an ambulance. When you're bored, you do stupid shit. That never had to be done in the first place. Stop letting your curiosity when you're bored drive you to do these rash-ass things that can ruin your name, ruin your health, ruin your, well-being. There's better things to do. Stay focused, stay productive. You're gonna thank me later, okay? Because boredom drives you to stupid shit that you never would have tried, never would have done. You're scrolling through Instagram for hours, you're watching YouTube videos for hours, you're taking random FaceTimes from people, you're FaceTiming random people you haven't talked to in years. Stop letting boredom drive you to wasting your time. When people are bored, they do stupid shit. When you're running a business, you should be productive. You should be growing your business at all wavelengths of the day. Because if you're not, then you're not passionate about it. Don't let boredom drive you to stupid ass decisions. All right, guys, peace.